Welcome to Kids Paced Learning.
100 first words. This is a playground. Let's see what's on the playground together. Are you ready? This is a swing. Can you say swing? These are trees. Can you say trees? Bird. Can you say bird? I love birds. These are butterflies. Can you say butterfly? Butterflies are so colorful. Look, it's raining. Can you say rain? Umbrellas. We need umbrellas to shade us from the rain. Can you say umbrella? It's a bird nest. Can you say nest? A baby. A cute baby. Can you say baby? This is a stroller. A baby stroller. Can you say stroller? This is a slide. Slides are fun. Can you say slide? This is a frog. Can you say frog? Frogs lives in a pond. Well done, friend. This is a farm. Now let's look at what we have on the farm together. Are you ready? This is a barn. Can you say barn? This is a tractor. Can you say tractor? Eggs. Can you say eggs? These are chickens. Can you say chickens? It's a pig. Can you say pig? Do you know the sound pigs make? Dog. Can you say dog? I love dogs. It's a cow. Can you say cow? Sheep. Can you say sheep? Sheep has lots of furs. Here's a goat. Can you say goat? This is a duck. Can you say duck? Can you quack like a duck? This is a horse. Can you say horse? Here is a cat. Can you say cat? Do you like cats? This is a rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit loves to eat carrots. And lastly, these are chicks. Can you say chick? Good job. Now, let's look at some animals. This is a giraffe. Giraffes are so tall. Can you say giraffe? This is a lion. Can you say lion? Tiger. Can you say tiger? It's a hippo. Can you say hippo? Monkey. Monkeys like to swing on trees and eat lots of bananas. Can you say monkey? This is a bird. Can you say bird? Here is a crocodile. Can you say crocodile? It's a snake. Can you say snake? A rhino. This is a rhino. Can you say rhino? This is a zebra. Can you say zebra? This is a turtle. Can you say turtle? Look, it's an elephant. Can you say elephant? Awesome! Let's learn about things that moves. This is an ambulance. Can you say ambulance? Fire truck. Can you say fire truck? A car. Can you say car? This is a bicycle. Can you ride a bicycle? Look, it's a hot air balloon. Can you say hot air balloon? It's a boat. Can you say boat? Here is an airplane. Can you say airplane? Truck. This is a truck. Can you say truck? Bus. Can you say bus? A train. Can you say train? Well done. Now, let's learn about our body parts and what we wear. Head. Can you touch your head? These are shoulders. Can you say shoulders? Eyes. Where are your eyes? Ears. Can you point to your ears? This is nose. Can you touch your nose? Mouth. Can you point to your mouth? This is tongue. Can I see your tongue? Hair. Can you touch your hair? Neck. Can you say neck? These are hands. Where are your hands? Teeth. We use our teeth for chewing. Foot. Can you say foot? Arms. Can you say arms? Legs. Can you wiggle your legs? These are toes. Can you point to your toes? Knees. Where are your knees? This is an elbow. Can you say elbow? Shoes. Pair of shoes. Can you say shoes? Pants. Can you say pants? This is a dress. Can you say dress? This is a shirt. Do you own a shirt? These are hats. Can you say hats? These are shorts. Do you have a shirt? Good job, friends. Let's look at the things in the house. Are you ready? This is a couch. Can you say couch? Here is a chair. Can you say chair? This is a lamp. Can you say lamp? Bed. Can you say bed? These are plants. Indoor plants. Can you say plants? Television. Can you say television? Kitchen. Let's learn about the things in the kitchen. Fork. Can you say fork? These are spoons. Can you say spoons? A bowl. Can you say bowl? This is a pan. Can you say pan? Pots. Can you say pots? Knife. Knives are used to dice vegetables. Cup. Can you say cup? Cups are for drinking water. Plates. Can you say plates? Sink. Can you say sink? We wash our dishes in the sink. Bathroom. Can you say bathroom? That was great, friends. Now let's look at toys. Are you ready? A teddy bear. Can you say teddy bear? A ball. Can you say ball? A rubber duck. Do you have a rubber duck? A doll. Can you say doll? Puzzles. Do you like to play with puzzles? Toy cars. Do you have a toy car? These are building blocks. Can you say building blocks? A robot. Can you say robots? A toy plane. Do you like toy planes? Toy truck. Can you say toy truck? Here's a xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Stocking rings. Can you say stocking rings? You did great, friends.
Please like, share, and subscribe.